Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Welcome to lesson 6 of my beginner guitar course. We got some pretty fun stuff coming up today. We're going to check out how to play a G chord. And it's a chord that I really struggled with when I was learning guitar, but I've got like a great cheat that makes it loads easier and it sounds better. So I'm sure many of you are going to love doing that. We're going to have a little bit of a look at alternate picking as well and explain a little bit about picking mechanics. It's not something we're going to use straight away because actually we don't have a riff this week because we've got so much other stuff going on as well. We're going to have a look at a thing called time signatures, which is a really kind of, it's one of those things that beginners might find a little bit confusing, but I'm hoping I'm going to be able to clarify exactly what it is. And we're going to check out playing in 6/8 time, which is a slightly different feel to the sort of strumming that we've been looking at so far. It feels a little different. Kind of people think of it as a waltz time. That's not strictly correct, but that's the kind of thing that we're looking at. We're going to learn what the names of the notes are on the open strings. I'm going to talk a little bit about forcing your chord changes, which is also really important, particularly for people who aren't using my beginner song course app, because it's an easy thing to kind of let slide if you're not playing along with somebody else or something else. And then we've got a whole bunch of awesome songs to check out for this week. So let's get cracking.